Hello everybody, I am Bichita. Welcome you to my channel #The World Menu. Today we are making a delicious chicken recipe, chicken Chutneywala, slow cooked in green gravy. So without any delay, let's begin. Let's begin with making the paste first, for which we require 100 grams of coriander leaves, roughly chopped, 50 grams of mint leaves, roughly chopped. We'll add this in a mixer grinder along with 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds as jeera, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, add little water for grinding, and few ice cubes. This is to enhance the color. Grind this into a fine paste like so. This is how the consistency should look like. To this, I have added 7 green chillies. This also will grind into a fine paste. In a pan, I have taken 4 tablespoons of ghee, to which I have added the whole spices. We'll saute till the spices release a nice aroma. To this, I have added 4 medium-sized chopped onions. Saute the onions on low flame for around 4 to 5 minutes till this is slightly golden brown. Do not brown the onions too much. This should be good enough. Now to this we'll add the green paste. Cook this really well on low flame till the paste separates from the sides. This will take around 20 minutes. The more you saute the green paste, the more tastier the dish becomes. So after 15 minutes, we'll add the dry spices. That's 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder. Mix this really well. At this stage, we'll add the salt also. Add a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix this well. After 5 minutes, the paste has started to separate from the sides of the pan. You can see now this is ready. Add the chicken. Here I have taken 500 grams of chicken. Sear the chicken on high flame for 5 minutes. Searing is a process in which the meat is cooked on high flame for the initial 5-7 minutes. This helps to lock the juices and the flavors of the meat, which makes the meat tender and juicy. After 5 minutes, bring the flame to low. We'll add 2 tablespoons of curd. Cook the curd till the oil separates. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now we'll close the lid and allow the chicken to cook in its own water for 5 minutes on low flame. The chicken has released the water. To this, we'll add 2 cups of hot water and close the lid and cook till the chicken is done. This will take around 25 minutes on low flame. Remember to stir in between. After 20-25 minutes, the chicken is cooked, the meat is off the bone. I've added more salt, a pinch of sugar, this is optional, this is to balance the flavors, and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well. The chicken is well cooked. There's a final step remaining which will take the chicken dish to a next level. Heat a saucepan. I have taken 1 teaspoon of butter, to which I have added 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, this is Kasuri Methi. Saute this for few seconds. Add the tempering to the gravy and mix well. This tastes great with chapati, naan, steamed rice or pulao. Do try this delicious recipe. So that's it. The chicken Chutneywala is done. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you'll get notified on my further videos. Also request you to like and share. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.